Good morning, everyone. Jorge here with League Cloud Canada, March 20, 2024. And this video today is for investors. Anyone could be an investor right now. You could be putting $10 over here, $20 over here in different blockchains, which are different networks, or different smart contracts, which are basically computer programs that are developed and run on the blockchain, or you could be buying AI projects that use smart contracts on the blockchain. There's a lot of new projects, there's a lot of mini coins, there is a lot of use cases. It's time to get started. This is the future of finance, the future of data, the future pretty much of everything. So, today's video, let's show you how to install the main four wallets that a lot of people are using out there. Digital wallets, self custody, where you save your password, where you own it, where it's basically decentralized. There is no one owner that will go and unlock your account. It's basically the computer program. Once they design the software, the program, there is no owner. No one can change anything. So there is some that they do upgrades and some that don't. That's why you need to talk to people like us that have this information or can help you to search this information. So again, for you to get it started, you're gonna download. You're gonna go on your phone or you're gonna go on your computer. If you use your phone, just download these four apps: Software, Kelp, MetaMask, Compass. Okay, these four are digital wallets. What are you gonna do here? You're gonna create new digital wallets or addresses, and it's gonna ask you to save or write down 24 words or 12 different passphrase. Basically, just make sure you have these on a secure place. Don't share these passwords, these usernames, or passphrases with anyone. So download Software, Kelp, MetaMask, and Compass. Software is for the Solana network. Kelp is for Cosmos. MetaMask is actually for different network. Compass is for the same network. When I say network, it's blockchain. So Solana, it has its own network, its own ecosystem. Same for Cosmos. Same for Say. Okay, so download those four apps. If you don't have a cell phone, you can always use the browser extensions for Google Chrome. You can find Software in here. You can find Kelp. You can find pretty much all the ones that I just mentioned here in the video. Okay, for the decentralized finance, okay, where you're gonna buy and trade and swap different coins or tokens. You're gonna download Juniper for Solana. You're gonna download Radium. You're gonna download Uniswap for Ethereum, and you're gonna download Astroport for the same network, the Spirit Say. Okay. So basically, if you have these four different wallets that work for four different networks or blockchains, and you have four different decentralized exchange or DEX, then you're in a good place to start buying projects in different networks, right? So I'll show you how the Astroport exchange looks like. So if you go Astroport, so this is the DeFi, decentralized finance here, or decentralized exchange DEX. Basically, you see how beautiful. I love this interface where you can connect your wallet. It's gonna ask you what wallet you want to use. In this case, I ask you to open one on Kelp if you have one, and then you will connect, and then you will be able to swap coins in the same network for these tokens that belong to the same network. I love how these people design this user experience. The user interface is so beautiful. I love it. And this is basically a DEX. It's no owner. The contract was designed. It's open source. Everyone can see it. It's great. If you want to see the Radium, let's go to the Radium DEX, another DEX. So this one, they say Astroport is for the same network. The Radium over here is for the Solana network. You can connect your wallet to MetaMask, Software, and then you can buy and swap tokens. Okay. If you want to know more about what projects to invest, reach out to me. Maybe I can help you. But I'm not a financial advisor either. If you want to buy, which other ones we have over here? Let's go to the Juniper. The Juniper for Solana, one of my favorites. Juniper, I think it's right here. Look at this beautiful interface, colorful. You can connect your wallet over here. In this case, is the Software. So if you have Software, if you have Kelp for Cosmos, if you have MetaMask, if you have Compass, you can start buying and using these DEX that I'm showing you right now, like Astroport, Radium, Let's show you the MetaMask one. MetaMask wallet, you can actually trade and swap coins too as well. So I'm gonna check my portfolio over here, which I barely use MetaMask, but I'm gonna start using it a lot more. You can buy tokens over here for different networks, as you can see. Even the Avalanche is also here. Great. So again, what do you need? 4 different wallets,